حياكم الله, welcome back. In this lecture we will be doing the alignment in Yawat server, and we have to work on Mozilla Firefox. Sign in with your username and password, log in and check your study. My study is MM16. Click on that. You will go to the subfolders, and these are the files which we translated with translog and we saved as XML. Now we need to make the alignment. Click on this. You will see this is the source and this is the target. The one in blue is source and the one in red is the target. So we need to match تتفق with تتفق and لا with لا, so on and so on. So what we do, this is left click on تتفق and left click on تتفق in the target text, then right click. You see the color has changed and now they are already connected and they are already aligned. And كلا with كلا, right click, left click on men, left click on men, and then right click. اليابان, this is left click, left click on اليابان, then right click. وأستراليا, left click, وأستراليا, left click, then right click. على right click. نقرأ بشمال الماوس على أن، ونقرأ بشمال الماوس على أن، ثم نقرأ بيمين الماوس. نقرأ بشمال الماوس على تكون، ثم نقرأ بشمال الماوس على تكون، ثم نقرأ بيمين الماوس، وهكذا. قمة right click. شرق right click. آسيا right click. المنتدى right click. الأمني right click. الأول right click. في right click. المنطقة right click. ونرحب right click. بخطاب right click. الرئيس right click. الوزراء right click. أبي right click. في right click. شانقري right click. underscore, sorry, this is dash, and dash right click. لا وضع right click. You see the color changes. عددا right click. من right click. النقاط right click. المهمة right click. left click on بالتحديد, left click on بالتحديد also, then right click. دعمه right click. نقرأ بشمال الماوس on لقمة, and نقرأ بشمال الماوس on لقمة, then نقرأ بيمين الماوس. شرق right click. آسيا right click, then dot. Don't forget this. Don't forget any dots or punctuation marks or whatever. This is left click, and here is also left click, then right click. Okay, after you finish the first segment, you please click on save. Then do the second sentence and so on so on. I will pause the screen until I finish this. So I am in the last sentence. Right click, left click, left click, then right click, left, left, right, left, left, right. And this is the full stop in Arabic. So due to some um, Unicode errors, it is displayed in the right. It should be displayed in the left. And save. You see now it is aligned. Each one, each word from the source text is aligned with the source from the target text. Sometimes you would notice that you made some mistakes. uh, as I did this as Zuama, and I just there was some mistake. I typed it as Za'a, but don't worry, you don't need to modify your files. You don't need to worry about that. It will be rectified later on. We will see how to I mean how to account for these errors, what these errors mean, and how to manage them. So don't worry about that. After you finish, click on back. You see I have aligned the first file. Now I will align the second file. I will pause the screen until I finish, then I will come back. Now I am about to finish the last sentence. Left click, then right click, left, left, then right, left, left, then right. Click saved, then come back. These two files have been already aligned. Now let's move to the post editing. This one is C, means typing, and now we have two files of post editing. Click on the first. Yeah, you see now the matter is getting more and more interesting. We will find several alignment problems and we will see how to check them. So for example, where it should be aligned, we don't have نحن here. So we have worked will be aligned with لقد عملنا. Then you see this is a phrase alignment. I think it's difficult. We can't find we here. We don't have نحن عملنا. If it was نحن عملنا, the alignment would be different. So we would be with نحن and have worked with عملنا, but there is no نحن here. Okay, so side with جنبا, that's fine. By with إلى, side, jump, in في challenging صعبة environments بيئات in في. And one more thing, you see the past, in the past will be with الماضي in the past, and this comma also in the past في الماضي. Including بما في ذلك will be there. You see, including بما في ذلك, including is translated into بما في ذلك. in في Iraq, العراق. This comma, I don't know, I missed, so I will leave it. Afghanistan, and in وجنوب. Look, this is another problem also. In Arabic we type wow with the word itself, we don't separate it as in English. So this is one of the problems that translation engine face. So and in south will be aligned, and in south will be aligned وجنوب with وجنوب, and Sudan will be aligned with Sudan. And this one is the full stop, and this one is the full stop.